observe Paper Bag Day on 12th July. Each July 12th, we recognize the significance of an invention that we take for granted on Paper Bag Day. Millions of people use paper bags every day. Readily recyclable paper bags have been around for many years. American inventor Francis Wall received credit for his patent of the first paper bag machine in 1852. Margaret E. Knight became known as the mother of the grocery bag after she designed the square flat-bottomed bag and the machine that would fold and paste them in 1870.